Hello, this is George Senda, the real official, the authentic, the original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh. And this is the Olympia folding platform cart. You're supposed to have a 12 millimeter wrench or a ratchet. Well, I have neither. And I just spent a fair amount of time assembling or putting on this one. You have to have two fixed casters, and one problem with these is the bottom of the wheel is scarred or melted, or I don't know what the hell it is. This one's worse. It's almost like a dented. So if you have the money, replace these with better wheels. And this comes from Walmart. And it was really hard to tighten these down. You can't tighten them down too hard. So what I've done is I tighten them down by hand, and then this first one wouldn't go in the holes right. I had to untighten all the bolts and the washers and then put them back together again. So I'm going to go and show you this when it's done. And the other thing is, when you put the handle down on the cart, there's metal here and plastic. It's very noisy. So I'm going to see if I can find a piece of styrofoam and maybe glue that on when I have the Gorilla Glue, so when that handle hits the cart, it's not going bang, bang, bang all the time, because that will drive you nuts. And so this is the two non-turning wheels, and you put this wheel on the other end, and that is the wheels that pivot so you can direct the cart. And it's not that hard to do by hand, but this is a 150 millimeter, don't ask me to convert it, 6-inch wrench. So I don't know what a 12 millimeter wrench is. I only have two wrenches, so this is all I got to work with, but it did tighten these. And so I'm going to finish, and I'll show you the completed job of this in the morning, so I don't make a lot of noise. This thing is very noisy, and I don't like this. The plastic here is already like melted when I got it or something. I don't know what this is. That's not good either. This thing is plastic, and I don't know if you can see that, but it doesn't, it's the plastic covering. So somebody didn't do a great job on this. And it's just held on there by tension. So you can look at this and see that I don't know why they did this, but there's nothing really to hold this in. And what you might want to do is take some silicone or something and put that in there to keep the rubber bumper around. All right, that's all for now. This is George Senda, struggling with this cart at 2:37 in the morning on a Tuesday morning. My goodness, it's Tuesday. All right, have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool, as the case may be. Stay warm and dry. And this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. I'll catch you in the next video. I'm running out of time. Bye-bye for now.